'Twas the day before Christmas, and in Grampie's workshop, not a project was being started, or even one finishing up. The tools were all placed by the new workbench with care, in hopes that a new project might soon be started there. There was lumber in the shed, and the tools were ready to go, but for some reason or other, starting a project today was a no. Even the paintbrushes and cans were closed up tight, because painting at Christmas is never all right. The Massey GC 2300 was all snug in the shed, and Grampie was hoping the battery wouldn't be dead. No snow falling down, no plowing was needed. Instead, we all stayed inside, where the camp was cozy and heated. Nanny is amazing and doing okay, thanks to all your prayers and kind thoughts of the day. The lane and the landing were plowed out last night, but more plowing, thought Grampie, would sure be all right. The sun was shining bright and not a cloud in the sky. Some mighty nice weather, so thanks, weather guy. The camp is all decorated, waiting for the big guy to arrive. And when the family gets here, the place will really come alive. So, from Nanny and I, and not to be too cheesy, Merry Christmas to all, and take her easy.